Hey everyone, in today's video we're checking out Skydeck at the Willis Tower in Chicago. The Skydeck is located on the 103rd floor of the Willis Tower with clear observation boxes and views extending over 4 states. The Willis Tower was originally called the Sears Tower and is about 110 stories tall. In this video, I will show you the Skydeck experience, which will show you Chicago's highlights and rich history of the tallest building in Chicago, leading to the top to the viewing tower, where we will get to see spectacular views spanning over 4 states. The Skydeck is open year-round, 7 days a week, and has a timed general admission entry. When you book, select your date, time, and ticket. Spaces are limited for 30-minute periods. I definitely recommend to book your tickets in advance. Prices start at $32. However, there is also an expedited entry, which offers the fastest path to the Skydeck, and that starts at $55. You start at the Skydeck experience, which if you take your time can take up to about 30 to 60 minutes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this portion of the tour. And also feel free to pause if you need more time to read. Next, it's time to head up to the 103rd floor to take in some awesome views. The Willis Tower is home to more than 100 companies, including prominent law, insurance, transportation, and financial services. The iconic building is the third tallest in the Western Hemisphere, encompassing more than 4.5 million square feet. The Willis Tower is the 12th tallest building in the world. It is the third tallest building in North America and the Western Hemisphere, standing at 1,450 feet and 110 stories tall. The Willis Tower opened in 1973 and took 2,000 workers 3 years to build. The cost of the building was in excess of $150 million. On a clear day, you could see 4 states: Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, and Michigan. If you're brave enough, you can step out onto the ledge. The ledge's glass boxes extend out 4.3 feet from the skyscraper's Skydeck on the 103rd floor, and it provides never-before-seen views of the city. This is included with your entry ticket. On your way out, you can pick up any photos you may have taken, and you can also explore the gift shop. That's going to wrap up this video of the Willis Tower. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out. Thank you as always for watching, and have a good one.